Maupay nga adlaw ha iyo nga tanan. This is our around 60 days of being under quarantine here in Metro Manila. I hope most of you are also having a fine time while staying at home in your place, and let us also cooperate and to help flatten the curve in the prevention of having more people getting infected with COVID-19. So if you watch the first vlog about what places can you visit during rainy day season in northern Leyte and enjoyed it, then you must watch this also to get to know more about what Eastern Visayas has to offer. And if you haven't like and subscribe and click the bell button yet, then please do so.
The first food that we will feature is binagol. Binagol came from the root word bagol, which means coconut shell in Waray language. And binagol is our term when you place something in a coconut shell. It is a sweet steamed delicacy placed in half of a coconut shell and then wrapped with banana leaves and twine. It is made primarily from a giant taro corms, which we locally refer to as gawai in Waray, and condensed milk, sugar, coconut milk, and egg yolks. It is best served as a dessert. And if you want to buy or purchase it, you can visit Tacloban Pasalubong Center, located at P. Zamora Street, Tacloban City, Leyte. The next is chocolate moron. It is a rice cake delicacy which is similar to suman, but the main difference is its distinct ingredient, which is chocolate tablea, or sometimes it is mixed with a cocoa powder. It also has a hint of vanilla, and you will also see versions with peanuts and cheese. It is best served or partnered with coffee or chocolate. It is a native Philippine chocolate drink made by dissolving cacao tablets in hot water. Just like binagol, the chocolate moron is also available at P. Zamora Street, Tacloban City in Leyte. So let's move to one of my favorite delicacy from southern Leyte, hopia malitulgan. It is a hopia type or snack that is filled with caramelized muscovado sugar with a crunchy outer layer. Its usual form is an oval shape which is bigger than your face, but lately there are smaller round-shaped versions available in the market. It is best served with coffee and you will really like it. If you want to purchase it, it's available usually in Taliwang Malitbog, Southern Leyte. But if you come across Maasin City in Southern Leyte, there are stores that sell that type of hopia, so it's more accessible. Now let's move to the naughty pleasure from Leyte, our very own sagmanit. It is made of cassava, taro or sweet potatoes, cooked with coconut cream, sugar, sometimes it's with coconut meat, and it is wrapped in banana leaves. It is also best served as dessert. And if you want to purchase it, just visit Tacloban Pasalubong Center, located at P. Zamora Street, Tacloban City. Another top delicacy from Leyte is Suman Latik. Its name is derived from its presentation itself. A suman, our term for Filipino rice cake, and latik, our term for caramelized sugar or calamay. We often serve it as a snack and we love and enjoy it with coffee. If you want to purchase it, you can visit Tacloban Pasalubong Center, at Pisamora Street, Tacloban City. There are also locals who offer made to order if you want to purchase a bunch of it. But uh, and one of my aunt actually is getting orders. If you want to purchase bunch, you can also just send your details in the comment, and I'll give you my aunt's details. Get to know the pastry cookie product from the province of Leyte, our very own Roscas or Bizcocho de Roscas. These crescent or penannular rings mainly came from the town of Perugo and Carigara Lake. Roscas is a Spanish term for rings, and some claim that it traces history during the Spanish era. And we all know that during our history, Philippines had been a colony of Spain for more than 300 years. We often serve this with coffee, and this is really very delicious, a very must try. It is made with flour, sugar, eggs, anise, lard, and what makes it special is the milk being used is Carabos milk. If you want to purchase it, you may visit Varugo or Carigara Leyte Public Market. While some provinces in the Philippines have different versions of this, pastillas de leche has been a trademark of Carigara Leyte for many years. What makes its authentic savory taste is how it is uniquely made or composed of, compared to other pastillas available in other provinces. The Carigara version is made up of Carabos milk and sugar. If you want to purchase this, you can visit Carigara Public Market, or you can also visit Tacloban City Pasalubong Center. Some stalls offer the same product. Festivities is one of the country's social tradition ever since, and tuba is a red coconut wine. Any gathering among Morais would not be complete without it. Even before Spaniards came, tuba was already the centerpiece of any celebration. This native wine is now exported to other countries. It has sweet, bitter taste, and we usually add a small amount of Coke to neutralize the taste according to our preference. While other provinces in Visayas also have their versions of tuba, Leyte produce one of the finest tuba, which we call Helina or Bahal na tuba.
Hi, I'm back, but it's already evening here and it's kinda dark outside. And I hope you enjoyed the video that I have prepared for you today. And if you have to visit Eastern Visayas in the near future, please try the delicacies that I mentioned in the video, from the cookies, candies, and the different version of rice cakes, also the local popular wine, which is tuba.